Good morning children. Welcome back to our EVS class. Tell me now, all are listening the class carefully? Very good. You are the good children. Okay. You have to listen the class carefully and you according to the topic you have to listen and what are the questions I am asking to you now. You should write in your book. Okay. Then anyway I will say but you can try it. Okay. So, you know it. What we are discussing a few days onwards, 3-4 days onwards we are discussing the topic our body, no? Yeah. So, about organs, different organs of our body we discussed. Okay. Internal, external, sense organs, how to take care of our sense organs. And before that I taught about the concept of Braille. Okay. Next, we are going to the topic. What is that now? Sign language. We are going to discuss now about a sign language. Okay, listen about the sign language. So, special needs. We are discussing the topic with the people with the special needs. They want some instruments I told no. So, yesterday we learnt about the topic about Braille now. So, if the visually impaired, the Braille is useful for the visually impaired people. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss about the sign language, that is the people who are unable to talk and unable to hear. Okay. So, for their purpose, they are, if you want anything, automatically with the help of your mouth, you know it, then you are asking, Mom, I want ice cream now. Mom, I want some special dish to me. Okay, otherwise we want to ask, Mom, please help me in my homework. So like that, you are asking directly to your mother. Okay, because you have the tongue and you are speaking. Okay, and what your mother replies, you are listening. Okay, you are hearing with the help of your ears. But the people with the hearing defect, okay, they are unable to talk. Okay, so that people, they are conveying their language, okay, in the form of some special signs. Okay, some signs, they are using their body parts like hands. Okay, so they are using some expressions, some body parts using hands, and they are saying something, they are conveying what they want to say. Okay, that is called sign language. Okay, so we have by God's blessing we have all the parts, no, but some people are there. Okay, they are unable to convey what they want to say. So that is why they have a special language called a sign language. So what is sign language? Briefly I will teach you today. Okay, listen about the sign language. It is a language which uses body movements to convey messages. Okay, they are unable to talk. Okay, if they are saying anything, they are unable to hear. Most of the people, they have, means talking defect. Automatically they are unable to hear properly. Okay, these two are, even they are deaf and dumb. Okay, Helen Keller. Okay, the great lady. Okay, so how he is challenging and he reaches the many steps. Okay, because of he have some special knowledge. Okay, she is the blessed child. Okay, so that is why she is now very good position. Okay, next listen about the what is sign language. Fingers and hands are used to create symbols which help in communication. This is used by the hearing impaired and speech impaired. Okay, so mostly body language means they are using their fingers and hands, fingers and hands to create some symbols. Okay, for example, they are saying hello means with the help of a hand, if they can say like this, okay, hello. And even we also sometimes using the hello, hello. Okay, so that is also one sign language only. So they are unable to talk. Mostly this language is useful. Already I taught now. So mostly this language is useful for the what hearing impaired people and again speech impaired people. Hearing impaired people and then speech impaired people are using this language. Okay, next listen. The body plays an important role while communicating in this language. The help of body, physical parts. They are conveying their message to the others by using the physical parts. Okay, hands, legs, total body parts, outside external body parts. With the help of body parts, they are saying something to the others. Okay, that is sign language. The messages are conveyed using different signs and symbols. For example, please. How they want to say no? Please, please. Okay, when they put their hand on the chest, this is called please. Okay, please. When they want to say here, hello, hello. Okay, when they want to say here like this, please. Next, and thank you, thank you, thank you. So when they use their hand like this, no, then automatically thank you. Sometimes they are saying no, thank you. Okay, thank you. So that is the, by using hands they are conveying some message. Okay, next listen. There are special schools for learning sign language. Okay, we know some, okay, but remaining we don't know it. So with the help of hand movement only they can convey like this. So what is happening, okay, what they want to say, so simply we can't learn it. Okay, so some schools are there for the specially physically handicapped people, visually impaired people. Okay, for them. For example, you take a Braille concept now. So here our textbooks are not designed like them. Okay, like they are not using these books. Okay, they want special books to learn, and moreover we don't know that language, we don't know the alphabets. Okay, so some special teachers are appointed for them. They have some special schools. Visually impaired people to special school, for schools they need. Okay, so hearing impaired people, and then visually impaired people, and again speech impaired people. So these are the special people, no. So they have some special schools. Okay, so if you join them, this ordinary teaching is not suitable to them. They want special schools. Okay, so more special schools also established to them. Okay, because we want to give some kind of respect to them. Okay, so we want to give some kind of help to them. So if any physically challenged people are there, no, we have to motivate them. So because of some parts they are unable to do anything, they are not coming forward to say. Okay, so every time if you push them, if you are giving some kind of encouragement to them, automatically they also reaching to the levels. Okay, good example is Braille. Okay, so even though he is visually impaired, but he introduced the concept of Braille script. Okay, so how it is? So if you have that defect, he is no encouragement, nothing, no, he will not do such a good things. Okay, so what I want to say, no, if any physically challenged people are there, you should encourage them. Okay, if you give support to them, okay, we are there. If by your motivation they are doing the wonderful things in the life. Many are there, physically challenged people. Okay, even in the scientists. Okay, even in the politics. Okay, many are there. So because they are in the good position now, because of the encouragement only. So we have to give always encouragement to them. Don't criticize them. Okay, we do not criticize them. Say this is no, you did not have, no, why you are learning? Is it essential to you? So don't say like that. So what we have to say, you also, like you have the Braille concept, okay, you have the Braille script. So if you learn it, you also learning, you also going to the different nice positions. If you want to say some kind of encouragement to the people, automatically they also, because of that encouragement, they have a hope to do all the activities. Okay, that is called encouragement. Don't criticize them. If you give motivation, no, automatically they have some desire in their minds. Okay, I will, I can. So you have to give encouragement like that. That is about the sign language. Sign language is nothing but with the help of hands, with the help of body movements, they can talk. Okay, that is called a sign language. Okay, so this is about the sign language, then our body lesson. So in this lesson, some words are given to you, some hard words are given to you. So what are that? I am going to teach now. So what we learn in this chapter, in this lesson, so I taught about the external and internal organs. Next what I taught about the sense organs, how to take care of sense organs, Braille concept, sign language. Okay, some hard words are given in your book. So what is that no? So commands, the word given commands. Where you heard this word commands? When I teach this commands word to you, yeah, while explaining about the head. While explaining about head, I taught this word command. So what is the meaning of this commands now? Instructions. Instructions. Command means instructions. Okay, brain is giving some instructions to you. As like that, you should follow the instructions. Commands, giving commands to you. So what is the meaning of commands? Instructions. Okay, so what is this now? In your book, some words are given, some terms are given. If you know that term, automatically you understand the meaning of that term. So brain is giving commands. So what is the command meaning? Instructions. Next given, convey. Convey. So what is the meaning of convey? So I convey my wishes. So like that you are saying no? So convey means communicate. What is the meaning of convey? Communicate. They can convey they. So when I taught this word while explaining about the sign language, they are convey. They convey with the help of convey their message. They can communicate, convey their message by using the hands and legs. So what is the meaning of convey? Communicate. Next, differ. So differ. So what is the differ meaning? Vary. Vary. So what is the meaning of differ? So when I taught this word differ, yeah, when I am explaining about the topic I taught about the differ. So differ means vary. Okay, while here which sentence I told about differ? Differ means the people having different types of eyes and eyesight. Eyes colors and eye sizes are different in different people. Okay, so that time I taught about the differ. Next listen, instruments. What is the meaning of instruments? What is the meaning of instruments? Tools. Tools. When I taught this word instruments, I taught while explaining about the people with special needs. People are having special needs now. So they want some instruments to know, to learn, to learn anything. They want some special instruments. So physically challenged people, the people with special needs now, that time I taught about the instruments. Okay, instruments means nothing but the tools. Next, script. S-C-R-I-P-T. Script. So when I taught this script word, written text. Written text. Written text. Written text. Script. Braille script. While explaining about the Braille script, I taught about the script. Script. What is the meaning of script? Means written text. Text. Nothing but the alphabets we are writing. No, that is called text. Okay. So that is about the words, hard words, what I taught in this lesson. Okay. So words. What are the words came into your lesson? Somewhat hard. Those are commands. What is the meaning of commands? Instructions. Convey. Communicate. Differ. Vary. Instruments. Tools. Script. Written text. Written text. So what you do now? After completing this video, I given these 5 words to you. No, you should practice 5 each and every word 5 times. What is your home task now? After completing this video, after watching this video, so what are the words I wrote on the board now? So these 5 words you should practice 5 times. Okay. So the words, what the words you learned in this lesson. So what are the words you learned in this lesson? By meaning I given to you. Okay. Now I will give the simple fill in the blank for clear understanding of the lesson. For clear understanding of the lesson, I am giving some fill in the blanks to you. Okay, so what are that? Listen. First one is the dash is located. The dash is located inside the head. The dash is located inside the head. Okay, so that is the first question. Next, the dash is located. The dash is located below the chest. The dash is located below the chest. Next, the nose has two holes called dash. The nose has two holes called dash. Next, a special kind of writing, a special kind of writing on paper with raised dots. Is called dash. Okay, next listen. Fifth one. The dash and dash of the eye may differ from one person to another. Okay. So, watch the video carefully and answer to these questions. Okay, so what are that? The dash is located inside the head. Second one, the dash is located below the chest. The nose has two holes called dash. A special kind of writing on paper with raised dots is called dash. the dash and dash of the eyes may differ from one person to another. Okay, these are the easy blanks. You watch all my videos and then you answer for these questions. Okay. Okay. Thank you.